What's up guys? So today we are on our way right now to go pick up a second car, new daily driver. I'm keeping the Porsche, but I want to enjoy it for what it is. I want it to be a fun car. I want to drive it around the coastal roads. I don't want to be sat on a motorway, changing gears, stuck in traffic. It's just not what it's built for. And the clutch is so heavy, and my left calf is getting way too big compared to my right. No, I'm joking. But yeah, we're going to go pick up this car. I don't know if I'll put in the title what car I've actually got. I haven't decided that yet. We're on our way, and I'll keep you guys updated. I cannot wait to see it. Guys, we're done. Paperwork signed. This feels weird. Like, to be honest, like I didn't really process that I was getting this new car today, and here we are. This is just a completely different feel to what I'm used to. So, I'm gonna try and work out how to set up the sat nav, get home. These bucket seats are unreal. It feels so good in here. And then when we get home, I'll do a proper kind of tour of the car. You can see the insides, the outsides, any kind of extra work that we've had done to it. And yeah, I'll talk you through the process of kind of why I've got this. And yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers. So guys, this thing is actually rapid. In fact, hang on, I need to overtake in a minute. But this is 0.2 seconds slower than the Porsche 0 to 60, and you really feel it because you don't have to change gear. So like, I'm gonna overtake in 1 second. No. Okay. And I'm overtaking now. And it fucking pulls. It is so quick, which is mad. Like, you don't expect it, but the thing is, you're not changing gear. You're not having to wait until that high-end power. Like in the Porsche, you hit like 6,000 revs, you've got that high-end power. Like, it's just instant power when your foot hits the floor, which is amazing. I love it. Guys, I forgot this has autopilot. And so now, this is literally driving itself. I've set the speed, no hands on the wheel, and we're turning a corner right now on the car. And it's doing its own thing, which is mad. It's keeping this distance, it's set 70 miles an hour, it's keeping in lanes, turning the corner for me. That's a weird, weird sensation. I mean, you're meant to keep your hand on the wheel, and of course I would, and it's telling me now, keep your hand on the wheel. But I just wanted to show you, like literally, so if I take it off now, we're now about to go around a corner, it's completely steering for me and keeping us in, which is mad. This is the future. Look at these. Sitting pretty. I love it. That's exactly as I wanted them to look. Wow, that's surreal. It's mad that 2.5 years ago I launched my business, and yeah, now I'm living in that house with these cars. Oh, hello. Yeah, I don't know that person. Yeah, I'm kind of lost for words, guys. What a feeling. It's going to be nice to have a car that I can now actually drive on a daily. I mean, I drive the Porsche daily at the moment, but it drinks fuel. I want to have it as like my weekend car. I want to have it as my fun car, as my fun ride. Look at the specs together. Look unreal. What I'm going to do, guys, is I've got plans for the rest of the day, but I'm going to pull the Jag out tomorrow, and I'll give you guys a full tour of the Jag, talk about my favourite bits, talk about things we've personalised on there. But yeah, just want to take this in. So, here we have it. We are back home with the I Pace. Sitting pretty out here, looking good, fits the space nicely, but obviously I'm going to be parked in the garage. Got room now for both the Porsche and the I Pace, which is cool. I'm literally just having a fast charger fitted in the house today. Oh, got a little guest with me at the moment as well. Can you see her? Where is she? Luna! There she is. Dog sitting right now for a couple of days. So let's do a walk round of the I Pace. What have we got here? I tell you what, let me turn around the mic. You don't need to see my face, and yeah, I'm going to show you the details what this car has to offer. So starting from the front, guys, we've got this full blackout. As I said, I wanted this to be spec like the Porsche, so we have full blackout grills everywhere. Apart from this grill doesn't actually serve any function. Obviously this is an electric car, so yeah, it doesn't really need it. It's just there purely for aesthetic. Cameras, it's got 360-degree cameras. Got this amazing bonnet vent here. Absolutely love this. I don't know if you can see through there. Again, this doesn't really serve any cooling purposes, but it's more just for aerodynamics. And yeah, this looks really good. There's no other I Paces which have been spec'd, well, as far as I'm aware, no others that have been spec'd with this bonnet vent in black. I just think it looks really mean on the car. Got these nice sideboard, I don't even know what you'd call that, side skirt, similar to the Porsche again. HSE editions, this is top spec. And look at these alloys, look at these 22-inch alloys with the red brake calipers, and we got these painted black, gloss black as well. I love how these handles and wing mirrors, everything stays really flush. When you unlock it, it all comes out, it's really clean. You can also press this button and it will open up for you, but why would you want to do that when you can get it done automatically? What else have I got to show you? Love the new design on the rear of this. I've got this little black split, lip on here, and now this is normally white as well. It's a full panoramic sunroof. In fact, let me just show you that so you can see. And whilst we're here, I'll just take you through the inside. So you go straight in, nice and modern, really clean, full electronic dash, and miles per hour and revs and whatnot. Well, not revs, but in this instance we've got power. We've got these bucket seats. These are really nice. Absolutely love these bucket seats. Just adds to that sporty feel, keeps alongside what we've already got going on with the other car. And yeah, that's what I was going to show you. Got this panoramic sunroof there, of which you can't see anything out of at the moment because obviously you just got the house there, but it's huge. It covers the entire roof, so mega. Oh, one thing I didn't show you in here that we have is the upgraded Meridian sound system. This is everywhere throughout the entire car, and it is without a doubt the best sound system I've ever heard in a car. I love it. Yeah, what else? No exhaust. That goes without saying, no exhaust, no sound. It's really, really weird driving this around and not having any sound at all. There's nothing to show you here apart from, what do we got? Charging. So we have normal charger. This can even go into like a 3-pin in the wall. It takes like 30 hours to charge if it's just a 3-pin, or like 8 hours if it's a fast charger, which I'm getting. Then we have the really fast charge. I haven't done that yet. Yeah, cool. So that's like public fast charging, where it takes like an hour to get to like 80% or something along them lines. Does 250 miles on range, which is more than enough for what I need it for. And I know there's going to be a lot of you guys, in fact, let's just sit inside. Let's just sit inside for a second and round this video up in here. I know there's going to be a lot of you guys who will be saying, hey Jordan, why didn't you get a Tesla? And I'll tell you why. Let me just flip around the camera. I didn't get a Tesla because, with no polite way of saying it, I think Teslas look like shit. Now honestly, I think they look awful. Apart from maybe the Model S, the Model 3 looks okay when you've got it pimped out and you've got nice alloys and everything. But I just think they're basic. The interior, I mean, you're never going to be able to sit in an interior like this inside of a Tesla. Or don't say never. I mean, maybe the Roadster, or maybe in the future they're going to do something. And also, so many reviews on the Teslas are that the build quality is awful. Just cheap finishings. You don't have, I mean, obviously you don't have leather seats or anything like that. Not that you need that, but yeah, the finishings inside the cars are meant to be really cheap and almost tacky. And I did test drive the Tesla Model X before I test drove this, and I've got to say, this trumped it in every sense of the word. Yes, the Tesla is quicker. Yes, the range is better. But I don't just buy a car for how fast it is or how many miles it does, right? I'd rather charge it for an extra hour on a road trip and be able to have a car which I know looks good, which looks mean, which sits good in the garage, which sits good next to the car that I already have. Let's open up the garage, by the way, while we're here. We might as well. I just realised we're sat right next to it. Yeah, I want a car which looks good, which feels solid behind the wheel, and the Tesla didn't do that for me, full honesty. But that's another car that does do it for me. Look at her. Look at her. Just sat there. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Short and sweet. I always do try and do a car tour every time we get a new car. Do you want some startup noise? Let's do it. Let's do a startup. Brake pedal down. That's it. Ferocious engine noise. Really weird driving an electric car, by the way. For any of you guys who have never driven an electric vehicle, it's strange, but yeah, it's great. I mean, it's rapid. It feels just as quick as the Porsche, if not quicker, because it's 4-wheel drive. And it's bizarre being able to wake up every morning and have full charge on the car, because I'm recording this a couple of days after I was actually meant to. So I've already had a couple of days with this car now, and it does feel very bizarre being able to wake up to a full charge. Anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you have enjoyed this car tour, and please do share it with somebody else who will enjoy it. Drop me down a comment below. Let me know whether you like this car, whether you think I should have gone for a Tesla, whether there's anything else you think I should have got. Let me know what you think I should replace, you can't even see it, what I should replace the Porsche with in January next year, because in January next year I'm planning to replace the Porsche. I'm thinking a Ferrari 458 Spider. That's my thoughts. So let me know down below, what do you think I should get to replace the Porsche? I'm going to keep my eyes on how much I'm actually using it though. I want to make sure I'm getting the use out of the car still, because it's all well and good having 2 cars, but if I'm not using both of them, kind of a waste of money. So yeah, we'll see, and we'll see. Yeah, that's me over, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon. Love to you all, and have a nice day. Cheers.